So if you seal it properly, it's got these 3 places that you seal it. If you seal it properly, let me just take this off. Okay, if you seal it properly, which has got 3 points of sealing it, really 1, 2, and a third one, you can carry it. I'll show you how to carry it. It's got the handles here at the top, and you actually lift it and carry it with you. If you're not too confident with that, or you think it might fall, you just hold it at the bottom, put it in the car, and just go. Okay, anyway, so what I'm doing today is we've got a lot of cake. This is a practice cake for the event. So now I'm going to do something different. Just open this. Okay. So we've got too much cake in the house, more than usual. I'm going to start packing this cake into this. I've only ever baked in these, but the other day, as I was browsing the internet, my baking groups and stuff, I came across someone who actually put cake slices in here. Okay, right. Okay, just put the sprinkles back in the container. Now I have a lid. Okay, let's see if this is going to squash down any icing. It does. Okay, but it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. I was worried about the height of the cake, but this will work. The lid snaps on quite easily. Now I have an option of this, or this ribbon. It says handmade on there. It's a very, very light pink. So I'm going to choose one of them. Let me cut it about there. Okay. Let me put this ribbon. Yeah, it looks quite nice. So, I'm using the audio. I'll speak to you soon. I'll show you what I'm doing. Then finally a spoon, which you can add to the side like that, or you can add on top like that. Okay, it's pretty cool.